Everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody, happy Saturday, happy Seed Saturday we should say.
So guys, this is our daily video log of us doing different things around our garden while we're under quarantine so we can still get stuff done. And we hope it gives you ideas and maybe even some inspiration for what you can do in your garden.
And if you have been watching for a while, thank you so much. We're so happy you're here. If you're brand new to the show, welcome, and go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you get updated when we post our newest videos. Okay, so for today's Seed Saturday update, we are going to plant our seedlings that are going in our cut flower garden.
So guys, the plants we're gonna plant today, they all have the same watering needs, and we're gonna organize them by height so they don't shade each other out as they're growing in the bed.
And one fun thing we're trying this year with this cut flower garden is I really love organizing things by color. So we're gonna try to see how it goes, but we're gonna organize them kind of in a rainbow of color. We need to get our seedlings moved out to our front yard garden, and we need to start arranging them by what we're putting where, and then we're gonna plant them. So you get to see us do all of that today. Okay, so here is the finished product. This project kind of took on a life of its own.
Yep, they're a little tight in there, but we're anticipating some very tall stemmed cut flowers that we'll be able to bring into the house and then maybe even give to our neighbors or family.
Yep, we have a lot of planting to do still, but we are super excited. Actually, if we could show you, here are going to be all the white flowers, and then it kind of rolls into yellows and oranges, and then on into pinks, kind of salmon color, and then kind of a red, darker oranges, and then green on the end. Pretty exciting.
So guys, that's it for today. We got some plants in the ground. We got a lot more to go, but we'll get it done. Go ahead and leave any comments or questions down below for us. Go ahead and give us that thumbs up. Let us know if we're doing a good job. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates on our new videos.
And thank you for watching and for being here. We'll be back tomorrow with another new project. And for now, have a great Saturday, you guys.
Yep, stay safe out there. We'll see you later.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.